undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
bird's head with a long neck like that, and also a beak. And let's cut these out very carefully with scissors. Now remember, scissors are sharp, so you might want to ask an adult to help you with this bit. There we go, there's the beak. And let's cut out the head very carefully, all the way along and round and down the other side. There we go. Right, let's get some glue and stick the beak on. There it is. And now he needs some eyes. All right, come back here, you. That's it. There's one, and there's two. Oh, there we go. Right, now we need the pine cone, and hopefully that will stick in there, which it does. Now we need some feathers. Let's get some feathers stuck in. There we go, there's one in there, one in there. Go on, in you go. One in there, and one in there. And just about enough time for one more. In half, and then start drawing our clown. Circle for his head, and then a big nose in the middle, big red nose, some eyes.
Hurry up!
I'm going as fast as I can. There we go. Let's give him a hat, and some hair, and some ears as well. There we go. Right, now get the strip of paper and start folding. Over one way and then over the other way, back and forth, a bit like a fan. we go, like that, like that. It's a bit fiddly, this bit. There we go. Right, now if I get some glue, and put some glue on that side, and stick it down there, and then put some glue on that side, and start wrapping it around your hand, like this, round and round it goes, and then carefully slide it off your hand, get the small piece of wool, and then tie it in the middle, like that. There we go. Tie it nice and tight. There. And then get a pair of scissors and very carefully cut through the loops there on both sides. There's one side, and here's the other side now. There we go, that gives us a fluffy bug. Now we need to glue on these googly eyes, like this. There's one googly eye, there's the other googly eye, and then if we get our sticky tack on the end of our pencil, there it is, we can push it on to our pencil bug! Phew! I made it!
Only just.
Of brown paper, fold it in half, and then very carefully with our scissors, let's cut out an ear shape, like this. There we go, round and round. There, be careful. And when that's done, you can open it up. Let's get our big pebble and put some glue on the back. There we go, like that. And then you can stick that down to the ears. Ah, he's taking shape now. Let's give him some eyes. Gonna use the white stickers for these. There's one eye. And there's two eyes. Let's add some dots for the eyes. There's one and there's two. I need some more glue now on our small pebble. There. There we go. That's on, and I can just finish him off with my pen. Whoop, whoop, pop, 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 pop. A pebble dog!